Yene kam ye mesiere. Nyom ni bonga kam no film fenem. Oyo senita kofion August. A mesiere. Ama sobo video mi. Mboko ya atak figo. No eso yene ka fe yene tefu. Enyene spirit em yesi de kini ya daga sokoro. Bango tonko. Ayoko botem mpongo bo manyele moto. Mpongo manyele unyele. Mpongo kedi ntem. Ekedi local government chairman. Ekedi governor. Ekedi minister. Ekedi senator. Or manyele hotel. Or manyele business them. All of a sudden people mpodo sore. Ama fiaka wori no kokolo wodo kedi dem mpodo. Ibiet kebide te kenya mata tabi utop position odo. Spirit ya daga osoro go tutu. And you be able to handle the such sensitive and good position in life. In sitting policy da kini. Maybe I fear fund you for 7 years, 8 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. All of a sudden, a focus woman tongue sore. Anyone of my warning a say come for ye temofo. Ubare my cabium bakara, Ubare my position, any me connection. And frame ya ma worrying a say ka for ye tefon, dear baby, come my top position or your connection. Mpoli to make good more, else so more for free. You nibonga come no few. Seeking swallow a ka for ye tefi, swak a fee. Since swallow more cool bonemanado cover, it is swat a fee, it is swak a fee. Mem policy swallow walking song a frame, it is swak a fee. You nibonga come bam policy swallow walking kini. Ekbedi di mpo boneman and tangle me cause period the order the ordinance the law. Atai da do mas wasine men ka kamami. Tongale kem frame policy swallow word minus you. It is swak a fee abanda atai Jesus Christ in the finsio. Kem policy swallow walking kini. Owo ma tie di mpom anyet mele kukura ma mpolo swallow wo. Mframe mpoli kemakaba ni swallow fee ni tomofo. Sine men share video mi no yene cafe yene tefo. Utobo no mpolo e kpalanye tongale kem frame Kenyan Jesus. Amen.